OnePlus 6T release date confirmed, and there's even more good news for OnePlus fans. OnePlus has now officially confirmed the launch date for the new OnePlus 6T, and some lucky fans will be able to get up close and personal before anyone else. OnePlus has also just announced when everyone will be able to get their hands on this lastest device. Update: OnePlus has just revealed that fans will be able to get their hands on the new OnePlus 6T soon after it's launched. In fact, just 1 week after the New York Global Unlock Your Speed launch event, the OnePlus 6T will go on sale in Europe at 10 a.m. GMT/10 a.m. set on Tuesday, November 6th. Original story: the OnePlus 6T will be unveiled later this month at a major launch event in New York. In a statement posted yesterday, OnePlus confirmed the release date, saying all will be revealed at the Unlock the Speed event on Tuesday, October 30th at 3 p.m. GMT. The OnePlus 6T is expected to include some radical upgrades over the current OnePlus 6, with the Chinese firm already revealing its flagship will feature an embedded fingerprint scanner under the screen. Other changes include a smaller notch at the top of the screen and a less cluttered rear case due to the removal of that security sensor. One thing that might not please fans is the news that the 6T won't have a headphone port, with OnePlus confirming the end of this popular socket on its phones. Pei, one of OnePlus co-founders, recently revealed the newest hardware from the Chinese firm will not arrive with a headphone jack. Such a move will surely disappoint many of the OnePlus faithful, but Pei emphasized the move was made to allow for new technologies inside the product. He also insisted the device would benefit from better battery life as a result. Pei told TechRadar, "By removing the jack we've freed up more space, allowing us to put more new technology into the product. One of the big things is something our users have asked us for: improved battery life. We're adding an adapter to the box, allowing you to use your 3.5mm headphones normally." Clearly, this is an exciting launch, and some lucky OnePlus followers will get the chance to be at this event. OnePlus says that it will celebrate the announcement of the OnePlus 6T by hosting the biggest ever community event in the company's history. For anyone who happens to be in New York, there are tickets available to attend this big launch. Attendees of the event will be the first in the world to experience the OnePlus 6T, and participate in a range of interactive experiences and exclusive demos showcasing the device. Tickets are limited, with prices starting from £16/$20 USD. As with OnePlus past launch events, attendees will receive a special bag to be collected at the event, packed with treats which far exceed the price of the ticket. You can buy tickets here. For those who can't make it to New York, they can tune into the most anticipated launch of the year by signing up for the live stream at oneplus.com/6t/livestream.